on a basis of a petition filed by one Dinesh, that to Madras High Court. The High Court itself nominated a special investigation team. It constituted a special investigation team to be headed by one Mr. Ashra Garg, who is a very famous officer. He is also from CBI. He was there in CBI for so many years, and he has come now to Tamil Nadu. And state had no option than to accept it, so we accepted it. So today the Supreme Court says transfer that investigation from SIT to CBI, so state has no option. So that is the court order. And the court has also asked us to file a counter affidavit. So we will file a counter affidavit. And the persons who have played fraud upon the court, that issue also is brought to the attention of the court. And the court has also asked our comments, so we will also give the comments on that.
The court also flagged the procedural lapses from the single judge of the Madras High Court.
I am not a mouthpiece for the judge, sir. You should ask the question to the judge.
But sir, it's written in the order that the Supreme Court did not make.
DMK government?
Sir? No, it is not a setback. What, sir? If they are commented on the registry, the government is not running the registry. You journalists should understand, first of all, that indictment is not against the government, nor against our investigation. It is only against the registry. First you understand, first you go through the judgment, then ask questions.
In the judgment itself, the Supreme Court has said that without considering the panel which was already constituted by the Chief Minister, the court orders
No. That is a commission, sir. Please understand, sir. Okay. The commission is different from the special investigation team. So the court has commented only about the registry. How did you assign writ petition criminal? How did you assign writ petition civil? So these are all administrative works, sir, which we have no control over that.